want to get our viewers up to speed with the latest that's happening. So Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, he was confirmed killed in a joint strike by US and Israeli military operations, planned military operations that took place in Tehran early Saturday. Iranian state media and the United States have both confirmed Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and a large number of government officials with him were killed. According to reports, both the CIA and the Mossad tracked Ayatollah Ali Khamenei for months. When they saw he was meeting his top security advisors, US President Donald Trump took the decision to fire that missile that took him out. The strike was carried out in close coordination using real-time intelligence that hit Khamenei's compound and eliminated scores of top Iranian commanders, including the key military leadership. We are told 30 GBU-31 bunker buster bombs were fired at this one location. We get you more in this report.
A seismic moment in West Asia. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei is killed in what is being described as one of the most audacious military operations in modern West Asia history. But how did the United States and Israel pull it off? The Israeli Defense Forces released footage of the large-scale airstrikes carried out on Khamenei's compound in Tehran on Saturday. The Wall Street Journal reports Israeli fighter jets allegedly dropped 30 bombs on Khamenei's secured complex after intelligence pinpointed 3 high-level meetings. The New York Times says the Central Intelligence Agency had tracked Khamenei's movements for months, building a high-confidence profile of his routines. When intelligence confirmed that he would attend a key leadership meeting in Tehran, the information was shared with Israel. Originally planned for the night, the operation was then shifted to morning. At 9:40 a.m. Tehran time, missiles struck the compound while senior defense officials were inside. Officials described it as a rare, unique window executed in broad daylight once his presence was confirmed. Meanwhile, the Washington Post reported that Donald Trump faced intense pressure from Israel and Saudi Arabia, with Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman urging decisive action and strikes against Iran. An airstrike executed with precision has changed the course of history. The world watches as Iran and West Asia face an uncertain path. With Geeta Mohan and Pranay Upadhyay, Bureau Report, India Today.